Now, Bikram, you don't know much about it, but Friends came out in 1994, but let's imagine that it, instead of coming out in 1994, it comes out in 2024, 30 years after. Now,
Yeah.
I'm just reimagining the whole cast because it'll be different. So this time the Friends will not be called just Friends. So first title will be Friends, but it'll have this long subtitle, say Friends of all races, religion, color, sexualities, and woke as fuck. So that will be the full name. If you don't know the full name, then people will be like, you're phony, you don't deserve to live, we'll cancel you. It's like, what's happening to me? So let's talk about all the cast members. First, number one is Joey. So to me, Joey will be perfectly played by Will Smith's son, Jaden Smith. And Joey will wear women's clothes, which Jaden already does, and he'll be pansexual, but mostly attracted to dead animals, at least for 2 days, dead for 2 days, and 100-year-old ladies, and also dead ladies. So that will be his deal. Chandler will most definitely be Asian, and most likely be Vietnamese, and he'll eventually in season 5 have a sex change and migrate to Afghanistan to become a high-profile prostitute, because it's just the best place to become a prostitute for an Asian person, particularly Vietnamese people. Now, Rachel will be hybrid, like one of the famous people, most amazing people on earth, Meghan Markle. Okay, and just like the original Rachel, she'll run away from a wedding, but not to some test. This time it will be the Prince of England, and because the Queen, the 165-year-old Queen, accuses her of being a money-grubbing whore, and then she'll run till she reaches Central Perk in New York, and then she'll become a waitress like the original Rachel. But unlike the original Rachel, she will never ever leave the job, and she'll fall in love with Gunther, like the great Gunther, and marry him, and they will have quickly within season 7 she'll fall in love with him, and they'll immediately have a fat ugly baby, and baby will be born before the season ends. Now, Phoebe, which I personally like the best character, most original character, but because it's woke, so she'll no longer be original. She'll be black, and she'll be from Kenya, like Obama. Just the way Trump said that, Obama, he's from Kenya, see his passport. All right, and she'll definitely be super woke and super Buddhist. Now, because now the character will be so fucking irritatingly fake, her nickname will not, Phoebe's nickname will be Phony, and in season 8, she'll suddenly turn white like Michael Jackson one day turned, right? After singing songs like, I don't care if you're black or white. Then I just woke up white. I was like, oh, just turned, is some disease? I don't know, just like turned white. And then she showed middle finger to her black identical twin, Ursula. I'm pretty sure you don't know her, but everybody knows her. Now, Monica has an Indian connection. She'll be second generation Indian. Her parents are like migrants from Patna, Bihar, which is an amazing place, like better than Luxembourg. And she will eventually turn out to be a BDSM loving lesbian in season 9. But there's a twist in season 10. She will end up marrying her real brother Ross and quickly have triplets with him. So this is gonna get very incestuous, if you may say. And Ross will not even be Indian, he will be Japanese, because now the world is very woke. Her mother is already having an affair and she had this Japanese guy, and he's Japanese. And he will turn out to be a serial killer in season 8, but Ross has become like so mature, some different person, so he'll convince the jury, judge, even all his friends that it was not him, it was his alter ego, and he can't help it. So people will be like, yeah, we are so woke, you didn't murder the innocent babies that he murdered, 7 of them. He comes out scot-free. And then eventually Ross shows his real colors in season finale. This will be the greatest season finale of all sitcoms or all shows ever. He will literally kill everybody but Rachel and Gunther's fat ugly baby. So now when the season everything ends, it'll be Ross will be living happily ever after with the fat ugly baby, and Phoebe, the phony Phoebe's twin sister Ursula, who has also now become white like Michael Jackson. So this is going to be like amazing finale. Eventually Ross is there, who is Japanese, with a black person who's now white, and then the fat ugly baby who knows what his gender or his nationality is in the first place. So that will be Friends 2024. I'm pretty sure you're looking forward to watching this amazingly brutally woke show.